Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the 2000 MCQ series for RBWM and we are covering important objective questions. And even all you guys might have watched yesterday's RBWM, this mini marathon. Have you watched it? Yes or no? Type yes or no in the comment section. Let me see. Here, everyone do watch it because this is the second mini marathon which I have taken on this Sunday. Last Sunday, we had taken one more mini marathon on the same. Plus, before that, I have taken 50-50 sessions. 50 questions in 50 minutes. Watch them completely. Why? Because remember, these sessions are very important for you from the exam point of view. Okay? And also remember one important part. These regular series which are going on, which I do take on a daily basis, those are also very important. Because you'll see many questions from these only in the exams. Okay, so let's move on. Chalo. The moratorium period. Now the numbers you'll see, the numbers we have been covering it since many days as such. That's why these numbers are continued. Okay, that's why I'm saying watch the series till from the starting. The moratorium period in case of personal loans is, so in case of personal loans, what is the moratorium period? PL. What do you think is should be the moratorium period in terms of personal loan? It is always 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 6 months. Personal loan. Personal loan means how many of you have worked in loans? How many of you have worked in loans? Just type yes in the comment section. Loan section. Those who have worked in the loan section, they'll understand it. That for PLs, we don't give any moratorium period. No moratorium period. Then where is the answer no moratorium period? When the answer has no moratorium period over here, what are you actually saying? You're saying 1 month moratorium period. Why? Because after the disbursement, it takes 1 month for the person borrower to pay the EMI, isn't it? So that's why personal loans will have one month moratorium period. Okay, got it? 1 month moratorium period. Next one. Personal loans are repayable in the period of, yeah, they are repayable in the period of what? What do you say, guys? 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, 48 months. Generally, I'm talking of generally. Now, there can be any bank can give the personal loans for 5 years also. Maximum loans allowed for the banks are 10 years, right? So, some bank can say that, okay, I'll give it for 10 years. That's not an issue. But generally, 90% banks, how long do they give this PLs? They give the PLs for, what do you say, guys? They give the PLs for 36 months. Okay, 36 months. Always remember, PLs are always given generally for 3 years. Okay. Do we take any security on personal loans? Type in the comment section. Do we take any security? Is it compulsory for us to take any security for the personal loans? What do you say? Is it compulsory? No, not at all compulsory. Okay. You can just give the personal loan like that only without any security. Some banks do ask for some FD, some bike, some car, something as a collateral, but that depends on bank to bank and depends on that score of that customer, credit score. Okay. Chalo, next one. For repayment of personal loans, banks obtain dash for payment on the due date. So what do the banks obtain? Payment on the due date, huh? Due date. On the due date, the customer should pay. Means every month we have that EMI date, right? So for that date, what do the banks take? Authority letter to debit a deposit account, FDR as a security for the loan, post-dated checks, and any of the above. I know all of you will get confused over here between A and C now, because B, everyone knows B is not the something which is taken for the due date point. Okay, FDR is taken as a security. That security has nothing to do with payment on the due date. All of you will get confused between A and C because you feel both of them are right. A is also right, C is also right. So what does the bank take now? Now I am talking. In this present age of computers, internet, UPI, everywhere. What do we take? Do we take these PDCs now? How many of you do take PDCs now from the customer? Type yes in the comment section if you take PDCs. One or three PDFs we take up till now for that Negotiable Instruments Act. But for the regular repayment, 12 PDCs, 36 PDCs, do we take it? Gone. All those days are gone now. Directly authority letter, that also we call it SI now, right? Standing instruction. Authority letter means SI. So we take SI only. That is the only point, isn't it? Because nowadays all these things are gone. PDCs and all these things, everything gone. Okay? Next one. The disbursement of a personal loan is generally in one go, in the period of 1 or 2 months, in installments, any of the above at the bank's discretion. So personal loan is disbursed how? In one go, or one go means what? Single installment means singly. Suppose if you want a loan of for 5 lakhs, I'll give you 5 lakhs immediately. Or will I give it in 2 months, 1 or 2 months? Oh, this month 1 lakh, next month 1 lakh. In installments, every month I'll be giving you 50,000. Do I give it like this at the bank's discretion? How does the bank generally give this loan? It's always given at A in one go. Personal loans are always given in one go. Okay. Now you'll say, sir, personal loans one go, that's okay. See, the question over here is generally how is it given? 90% every year. See here, it's after all at the discretion of the bank. Bank can sometimes tell you that, okay, 1 month, this month I'm giving you this much, next month I'll be giving you whenever you require it. But generally what happens, personal loan is for what? Personal loan is for the personal requirements. And for that the human being or that customer has applied, right? So if the customer has applied for some urgent work, that person is needed exactly the full amount for that urgent work. So that's why it's always disbursed in one go. Okay. Next one. One second. The term demographic dividend is used in Indian context with reference to demographic dividend. What do you mean by this word dividend? Dividend means basically advantage. So demographic advantage to India is in what terms now? Who can tell me? Demographic dividend is in India is for what terms? Advantage of largest number of qualified persons. Qualified. Do we have too many qualified persons? Advantage of highest number of young persons. Do we have young persons? Advantage of highest number of software development firms. Do we have that? Advantage of all of the above. All of the above. What do you think is the answer? Yeah? Type fast in the comment section. Qualified, young or software. It is B. Highest number of young people. That is the right answer. Advantage of highest number of young people. That is the correct answer. Because India has a high demographic dividend of young persons. Do you know which country is aging now? Aging. Aging means all of them are getting old. Japan, correct. Japan is aging. Second, China is coming up in the same line. China is also aging now. Okay, so that is the biggest disadvantage to these countries. Next one. For education loans, bank takes the following. So banks take what? Banks follow policy prescribed by Ministry of HRD, policy details formulated by RBI, model education loan scheme by IBA, the own policy framed by them without taking into account any instruction from RBI or government of or IBA. What is the answer? Means education loan, which policy is forward? This policy is given by a certain institution. Which is that institution? That is the right question over here. HRD, Ministry of HRD, RBI, IBA, or their own Forget everything RBI, forget this government. I'll do whatever I want. Is it that D? What is the answer, everyone? What is the answer? It is IBA. Remember this. For education loans, banks follow the model education loan scheme of IBA. IBA has devised this scheme. Okay? Everyone, before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever we require for clearing JIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. So that's why download it right now. Okay? Don't just download it. Otherwise, I'll tell you how many apps. Okay, let me ask you one question. In your own mobile, how many apps do you have? Do you know the number at least? How many number of apps you have? Type yes or no. I know many of the answers are no over here because I myself don't know how many apps are there in my mobile. We just download it and keep it, saying that, oh, we'll use it sometime. Don't do that. This is the main bread and butter. Daily, it's like breathing in and breathing out. That much important this app is for you. Download it and use it. In this app, Adda 24/7 app, you will be getting premium study materials, everything that is there, free tests, free ebooks. Some part of the ebooks are given free. Free lectures are also given. So whatever is free, grab it, download it immediately. Okay? Next one, move on. So for education loan is available generally to which of the following? School students, professional and other college students, only university level students, and any of the above. So whom is the education loan available now? Who gets the education loan? Let me see. Yes. Who gets the education loan? School students? Have you seen any schools getting the education loan? I think so within some years they'll also require it because the school fees are so huge now, isn't it? Look at the primary school fees in the private schools. They are around 2 and in metro cities they are around 4 to 5 lakhs. Metros. Many of you might be staying in metros, you might be seeing those private school fees. In tier 2 cities, they are around 1.5 lakhs. So the right answer for this is what? This professional and college students, other college students. Okay. So education loan is given to these guys, professional and other college students. Only university level student, that's not the right answer. Okay. It can be to professionals also. Means CAs, they are also given the education loan. Okay. In case of education loans, who is made a co-borrower? See, your education loan is given to whom? Tell me first. It is always given to that student. Actually, the borrower is that student. But what happens? The student is not earning at that time. That's why we don't give that person, that student, that much, that amount. We take some co-borrower. So whom do we take the co-borrower? The college where the student takes the admission. My God. College where the student takes the admission. This college will go bankrupt. There are 1200, let's say 1000 students in any college. Suppose college becomes the co-borrower to these students. College will go bankrupt, right? So that is out. Family member of the members of the borrower, the parents of the borrower, friends and relatives of the borrower, near and dear ones. See this, B, C and D. All of them are similar answers. But what is the correct answer then? Correct answer is this, parents. Parents of the borrower means this student. Parents of the student are taken as the co-borrowers. Always remember this. But remember, generally what happens? The parents are taken as co-borrower. But what is the logic of this education loan? Suppose if I take the education loan, I am the student. Let's say. Okay. So I'm going for, let's say, engineering. So in engineering, first year means I'll take the admission. And then when will I repay the loan and who will repay the loan? Suppose if my parents are taken as a co-borrower. Okay. then what is expected from that loan? Who should repay that loan? Should the parents repay it or should the student repay it? What is thing, guys? What is expected from that loan? It is expected that the student should complete the course and repay the loan by joining the job or doing some business, anything. So that is the logic behind it. Student should repay. But what happens? We take parents as a co-borrower. Why? Because if the student doesn't get a job immediately, if the student fails, then what? The loan is to be repaid in any case. So that repayment will be done by this co-borrower as a parents. Okay. The amount of education loans is restricted to dash for studies in India. So in India, what is the maximum amount of education loan? 5 lakh, 7.5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakhs. Now this is a simple answer. Yeah. What is the answer over here? Education loans in India. In India. Immediately I'll be asking you abroad also. Next question is abroad. So this is what is the answer over here. It is 10 lakhs. Education loans in India are restricted to 10 lakhs. Okay. Similarly, next one. See here, before going ahead, see here. Or join the Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, now how to join it first? I'll give you 2 points over here. Firstly, why should you join it? Second is how should you join it? Okay. Firstly, if you want to join this Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel, why should you join it? You should join it because there are number one, free YouTube series on all the subjects of JAIIB and CIB. Free. Okay, so join it ASAP. Whatever is free, grab it fast. In YouTube series, you are seeing similar. See here, what are you watching right now? Right now, you are watching the free YouTube series. This 2000 question series, right? Similarly, you get it for all the subjects of JIB as well as for CIB. So that's why you should join it fast and freely grab it, isn't it? Second one, how do you join this? Scan this QR code. See this QR code given over here. Scan it. Firstly, is this blue link, blue QR code is for your Telegram channel. Secondly, this QR code, black one, is for your YouTube channel. Scan it immediately. Okay. Thirdly, this is the next Instagram QR code. Let me show you. So this Instagram QR code. So scan this also. You'll get it over here. Instagram QR code. Okay. Are you able to see this? Let me see. Yeah, you're able to see this. So this Instagram QR code also. Scan it immediately. Even the links are available below in the description box also. You can join through that also. Okay. Join it immediately because I've told you why is it important to join. Got it? Next one. The amount of education loan is restricted to rupees dash for studies abroad. Just now I told you 10 lakhs was for India. So abroad will be what? It will be lesser, 7.5 lakhs. It will be 5 lakhs. Or will it be 10 lakhs? If India I am giving it, within India I am giving it for 10 lakhs. Abroad will be definitely higher, isn't it? Logical. So the answer will be 20 lakhs over here, isn't it? Answer is 20 lakhs. Got it? Next one. For education loans up to 4 lakhs, which of the following type of security is available? 4 lakhs, loan up to 4 lakhs, education loan. What is the security taken? Parents are co-borrowers. Parents are co-borrowers plus third party. Okay. So parents are co-borrowers plus third party. Third party guarantor. Third party guarantor means someone else. Some known person as a guarantor. Then parents as co-borrowers plus charge on tangible assets like property, house. Give you a house as a collateral for 4 lakhs. Is it? Parents as co-borrowers plus all of these now. Charge on tangible plus third party, all of this. So D is what? Basically all of this. So for 4 lakhs, what will the bank take? Remember, 4 lakhs is not a big amount now for banking. Okay. Earlier, few years back, 20-25 years back, it was a big amount. Now nothing. Just parents as co-borrowers and loan is disbursed up to 4 lakhs. Okay. Nowadays, loans are disbursed up to 10 lakhs based on CIBIL, just CIBIL, no documentation, zero documentation based on Only based on civil. So in which world are we? Right? Next one. For loans above 4 lakhs and up to 7.5 lakhs, banks insist on what? Suppose above 4 lakhs. Just now we saw up to 4 lakhs, only parents. So 4 to 7 is what? This co-borrowers plus third party guarantor. Third party guarantor. Then co-borrowers plus parents as co-borrowers plus the house tangible assets. Then D is all of the above again. So what is the right answer over here? 4 to 7.5 lakhs. For 4 to 7.5 lakhs, it is B, third party guarantor. Only this much. Parents plus third party. That also banks have required, that's why. That's why RBI doesn't say anything about this now. Okay? Means now the restrictions are removed for all. Banks have to take their own risks. Okay? So guys, that was the session for you. Now before going, I would suggest everyone to join the Sankalpa batch, comprehensive Sankalpa batch for the May 24 series, May 24 exams. All the subjects are covered, numericals, objective questions, case studies covered. Okay, you can join the Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you get multiple batches for the same subject. Okay, plus you get ebooks, test series. Ebooks, test series are available in this batches also, normal batches also. So join the Mahapack because you are getting multiple batches plus ebooks plus right now you are getting double validity. I'll show you how to get this double validity. Go to Adda 24/7. I'll always suggest you to go through the app. In the app you get coin systems. This coin system will give you around 1% extra. Okay. So click on JAIIB and CIB. Click on JAIIB May 24. Okay. Click. You'll see this. English batch. Click on this English batch. Now look at this. Firstly, look at this discount 80% off. Okay. What are you getting in this? Ebooks, test series, online live classes. Click on this ebooks. Look at this. You click on the ebooks, you get subject wise ebooks. Click on this subject. Each subject. You get chapter wise ebooks. Means in such details it is available. Similarly for the test series, click on this test series. You will get subject wise test series. Now click on any subject. You will get again topic wise module, topic wise test series, chapter wise. So these details, these are the detailed levels which you get in your in this ebooks as well as the tests. And that also at what price? Only 3999.80, 80% off. NOV 80 code already applied. How to buy this? Click on buy now. Now you see the code is already applied. If it's not applied, then you can apply this NOV 80 and click on apply. Click on continue. Fill in your details, full name, phone number, email, fill in the details. Okay. And then make the payment and done. Now, what do you get in this? See this. All these things I have told. Expert faculties, interactive classes, recorded sessions. So, if you miss out on any class on any day due to banking pressure, you can go through it through the recorded sessions. Okay. You can join the Mahapack also. How to join the Mahapack? See this. Go to Adda 24/7. Okay. Look at this. Gone. Go to JAIIB May 24 again. See the JAIIB Mahapack. Now, if you look at this, you'll have two options, two better benefits over here. One is double validity and 80% off. What is double validity? You buy it for 6 months, you get for 6 months free for 12 months. You buy it for 12 months, you get 12 months free. So 24 months. In what fees? Again 80% off. So buy this immediately. Here also you get expert faculties, interactive classes, recorded videos, limited size batches, ebooks, test series, videos. Okay. As I shown you ebooks also. Ebooks. Click on those. You can go through the chapter wise ebooks. Chapter wise ebooks plus chapter wise test. Go through the product highlights. Call on this number for any query. It's flashing on your screen also. Recorded sessions, strategy sessions, time management. Here, this is an important part. Time management, strategy. These are also given. You can go through the detailed product highlights over here. Okay. Product description is given fully over here. Why Mahapack is best for you? You can read this. Go to the app, go to the website, click here, read this. Okay, I would suggest everyone to join this Mahapack or the batches immediately because time is very important. Although the exam is in May, but you will be having March ending pressures. So there also almost 1 or 2 months will go. Okay, so join right now only. Bye from my side. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, join the batches or the Mahapack.